Good morning, student. Student, next question is limit x tends to 0 sin x square into cos into 1 minus cos x square upon x power 6. It is question number 70 and exercise 29.7. Student, we will apply the half angle formula. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Therefore, it is limit x tends to 0 sin of x square. We will break x power 6. So, we write x square with this into it is 2 sin square x square upon 2 and x power 4. Now break into two limits. So limit x tends to 0 sin x square upon x square into 2 constant out. Limit x tends to 0 sin x square upon 2 divided by x square whole square. Now this limit is 1 because this sin x square upon x is same thing. So it is 1 into. It is according to the standard limit. Limit theta tends to 0. Sin theta upon theta is 1. Then it is 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin x square upon 2. Now here we will multiply and divide by 2. So it is 2 into x square upon 2 whole square. This 1 by 2 take it out. So it is 4. 2 into 1 by 4 into. Student, again this limit is 1. Limit x tends to 0. Sin of x square upon 2 upon x square upon 2 whole square. This is 1. So 2 1 is 2. So 1 upon 2 into 1 square will be 1 upon 2. So this limit is, value of the limit is 1 by 2. Student, next is question 26. Limit x tends to 0 sin 2 plus x minus sin 2 minus x divided by x. So here limit x tends to 0. Apply the formula. Sin A minus sin B. It is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Then it is 2 cos 2 plus x plus 2 minus x upon 2 into sin 2 plus x minus 2 plus x upon 2 whole divided by x. Here x cancel, this side 2 cancel, then it is 2 cos 2 into sin, then limit x tends to 0, it is sin x upon x. This limit is 1. So it is 2 cos 2 into 1 equal to 2 cos 2. And limiting value of the given function is 2 cos 2. Student, now next is question number 27. Limit h tends to 0. A plus h whole square sin A plus h minus A square sin A divided by h. Limit h tends to 0. Make the whole square. So it is A square plus 2AH plus h square into sine of a plus h minus a square sine a upon h. Now a square common, limit h tends to 0. A square common from this term and the last term. Then it is sine a plus h minus sine a plus 2a plus h into sine a plus h plus h square sine of a plus h upon h. Now divide all the terms by h, so it becomes limit h tends to 0. Separate the terms here. A square constant, it is sine a plus h minus sine a upon h plus, here h is cancelled, so it is simply 2a into sine a plus h and limit h tends to 0. Separate the limit, plus limit h tends to 0. Then one h is cancelled out, then it is h sine a plus h. Now in this limit, we will apply the formula sine a minus sine b. So here a square constant, it is 2 cos a plus h plus a upon 2 into sine a plus h minus a upon 2 divided by h and limit h tends to 0. Plus here 2a into sine a plus 0 and this limit will be 0 because h is 0 here. Then it is 2a square cos of h is 0, so a plus a 2a upon 2 will be a cancel, sine h by 2 upon h multiply and divide by 2. And limit h tends to 0. Plus 2a into sine a. Now here this limit is 1 and 2 cancel out, then it is simply a square cos a plus 2a sine a. This is the limiting value of the function. Now next is question number 28. It is limit h tends to 0 tan x minus sin x upon sin 3x minus 3 sin x. See the solution. Limit h tends to 0. We will write tan x as sin x upon cos x minus sin x, and sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So formula of sin 3 theta, it is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. It is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x. So here 3 sin x cancel out. Then limit x tends to 0 x. Now 1 sin x common. It is 1 upon cos x minus 1 upon 4 sin cube x. Then 1 sin x is cancelled. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x upon cos x, take the LCM, then it is minus 4 and sine square x. Now take minus 1 by 4 out, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x and cos x, sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. Then factorize, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x upon cos x. Its factors are 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. So this is cancelled out. Now cos 0 is 1, so it is minus 1 upon 4 into 1 upon cos 0 into 1 plus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, so minus 1 upon 4 into 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 upon 4 to the 8. So limiting value is minus 1 upon 8.